Hi there, before we start with the video, I wanted to bring a channel to your attention, United24. They're actually helping me a lot with clearing footage of the war in Ukraine, and they're also uploading a lot of videos about the war themselves, so you should go and check them out.
После. Давай вторую заряжай! В огонь! В огонь! В окно, в огонь! Все, слазим. Красава. Держи автомат.
Like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure to check out United24. I've linked a video from them about Bakhmut here you can watch, and subscribe to them if you like it. Thank you very much. Till the next time.